Welcome to our 10-day adventure through this incredible state. The first day was spent mostly traveling. We landed in Anchorage in the afternoon, picked up our rental car, and headed to our hotel in Eagle River, just a short drive from the airport. The following day, we kicked things off with a drive to Independence Mine, an abandoned gold mine located in Hatcher Pass. The view of the snow-capped mountains in the background was stunning. As we made our way to the mine, we took in the scenic stops along Hatcher Pass Road. When we reached the mine, it was still buried under snow and hadn't opened for the season yet. This was already late May. But that didn't stop us from walking around and soaking in the breathtaking snow-covered mountain views. We returned to Eagle River to visit the Eagle River Nature Center in Chugach State Park. The center offers a variety of scenic trails. Remember to always carry bear spray while walking in the woods and put on bug spray. Mosquitoes can be very bad at times. Also, don't forget your rain gear, as it tends to rain frequently. On day 3, we headed to Denali National Park. Along the way, we stopped in Talkeetna for the highlight of the day, a scenic flight over the mountains. After this, we continued driving to Denali. Along the way, there's a scenic viewpoint where, if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of Denali itself. The mountain, towering over 20,000 feet or 6,000 meters, creates its own weather and is often cloud covered. We were fortunate to see the peak, and it was amazing. Day 4 was dedicated to exploring the Denali National Park. In the afternoon, we used the park's transit bus, which takes you deep into the park. Only buses are allowed to travel past mile 15. There are also tour-guided buses available. However, the transit bus fit our budget, and it was definitely worth it. Due to a landslide in 2021, all buses now travel only as far as mile 43 of the park's 92-mile-long road. Hopefully the road will reopen in the next couple of years. I apologize for the shaky footage. It's hard to get steady footage hand-holding a 600mm lens. We spent the rest of the evening enjoying the long hours of daylight. In Alaska, during the summer, it feels like the sun never really sets. Day 5 was a travel day, driving from Denali to Seward. It's over 360 miles and took most of the day, including rest stops and scenic breaks. One of the most beautiful drives is along Turnagain Arm, just south of Anchorage. The landscapes are absolutely amazing. We arrived in Seward, which would become our home, has a lovely waterfront walking path, which you'll spot all sorts of wildlife along the way. As this day closed, we looked forward to the adventures the next day would bring.